In today's fast-paced digital world, online marketing has become an essential tool for businesses looking to thrive and grow. With the right strategies in place, you can effectively reach your target audience, increase brand awareness, and drive more traffic and sales. If you're tired of seeing your business stagnate and want to take it to new heights in 2023, then this article is for you. Here are 10 foolproof online marketing strategies that will skyrocket your business. Build a strong social media presence. Social media platforms have revolutionized the way we connect with others and consume content. To leverage this power for your business, create engaging profiles on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or TikTok, depending on where your target audience spends their time, and regularly share valuable content that resonates with them. Invest in influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has gained immense popularity over the years as consumers increasingly trust recommendations from people they admire or follow online. Collaborating with influencers who align with your brand values can help you reach a wider audience and build credibility among potential customers. Optimize your website for search engines. Search engine optimization, SEO, plays a vital role in driving organic traffic to your website. Conduct keyword research relevant to your industry or niche and optimize each page of your website accordingly by including those keywords in meta tags, headings, URLs, and throughout the content. Create engaging content. Content is king when it comes to online marketing success. Develop high-quality blog posts, articles, videos that provide value to readers, viewers, while showcasing expertise within your industry or niche. By consistently creating engaging content that addresses pain points or offers solutions for potential customers' problems, whether through informative blog posts or entertaining videos, you'll establish yourself as an authority figure and build trust. Implement email marketing campaigns. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to nurture leads and convert them into paying customers. Build an email list by offering valuable incentives such as exclusive discounts, free resources, or informative newsletters. Once you have a list of subscribers, create personalized and targeted email campaigns that provide value and encourage engagement with your brand. Leverage the power of video marketing. Video has become an increasingly popular medium for consuming content online. By incorporating videos into your marketing strategy, whether through product demonstrations, behind-the-scenes footage, or customer testimonials, you can captivate your audience's attention and increase engagement levels significantly. Utilize pay-per-click advertising. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising allows you to display ads on search engines or social media platforms while only paying when someone clicks on them. This cost-effective form of advertising enables you to reach a highly targeted audience based on specific demographics, interests, or search queries. Offer personalized experiences with chatbots. Chatbots are AI-powered tools that can provide instant responses to customer queries 24/7 without human intervention. By implementing chatbots on your website or social media platforms like Facebook Messenger, you can offer personalized experiences to potential customers while saving time and resources for your business. Collaborate with complementary brands. Partnering with complementary brands within your industry can help expand your reach and tap into new customer segments effectively. Look for opportunities where both brands can benefit from cross-promotion initiatives such as joint webinars, co-branded content creation, or giveaways. Monitor analytics and adapt your strategy accordingly. Finally, it's crucial to monitor the performance of each marketing campaign using analytics tools like Google Analytics or social media insights provided by respective platforms themselves. Analyzing data will enable you to identify what strategies are working well for your business and make informed decisions about future optimizations. In conclusion, implementing these 10 foolproof online marketing strategies will undoubtedly help skyrocket your business in 2023. By building a strong social media presence, investing in influencer marketing, optimizing your website for search engines, creating engaging content, utilizing email marketing campaigns and video marketing, leveraging pay-per-click advertising and chatbots, collaborating with complementary brands, and monitoring analytics to adapt your strategy accordingly, you'll be well on your way to saying goodbye to stagnation and hello to growth and success. So why wait? Start implementing these strategies today and watch your business thrive like never before.